Yeah, I'd like to invite you along to our upcoming Bix X event on the 29th and 30th of April. It's going to be a brilliant event. We've got some of the best speakers in the world, and the beauty with it being online is the fact that not only can you see it live, but you'll also get access to the recordings of all the speakers for the next 30 days, so you can watch them at your leisure. So who have we got coming up? Oh, our headline speaker is, of course, Lord Alan Sugar. We wouldn't want to come and see him speak about business and the state of the economy at the moment and how the opportunities are going to come out from that. Alongside him, we've got our very own Brad Sugars. So you get 2 sugars for the price of 1. So what a sweet deal that's going to be. And then we've got Jeffrey Gitomer, the world's #1 sales guru. We've got Paul Mckena, one of the best hypnotists in the world. Wyatt Woodsmall has actually taught Anthony Robbins all he knows about NLP. One of my favorites is going to be Marcus Sheridan, the author of They Ask, You Answer, what I think is one of the best marketing books. And talking of marketing, of course, worth the ticket price alone is Seth Godin, the marketing genius that he is. And it's going to be amazing to see his insights into the marketing and how we can use it to take our businesses forwards. So plenty of other speakers there. It's going to be an amazing 2 days, but say the beauty of this is you get to record it and watch it at your leisure. Price at the moment is $195 plus the VAT. That is the early bird price until Friday. After that, it goes up to $250, which is still cheap, but why not just book your tickets now? Come along, join us, join these amazing speakers, and I'll see you there. Take care for now.